What's up? It's Kainu back here again for another video. Today I'm going to show you how to create another user on your PC, on your Windows 11 PC without a Microsoft account. But let's get into it. Alright, so here we are on the Windows 11 desktop. So what you're going to do is come down to the search bar down at the bottom and you're going to type in other users. As you can see, it pops up other users right here. You're going to click on that. Then you see add other user. Then you click on add account. Then it pops up Microsoft account. You guys are gonna yell at me and be like, hey, you said this is without a Microsoft account. And it is, but I'm gonna show you how to do that. So what you're gonna do is click on I don't have this person's sign-in information. Wait for it to load up, give it a second, and then add a user without a Microsoft account. Click on that, wait a second, then you just make it whatever you wanna do. I do test, and then whatever password you want it to be. And then enter in all of the security questions. I'll enter those in real quick. All right, and then once you're done entering all those in, you click next. And then boom, you now have a local account called test. Let's say you want to switch it from a standard to an admin user. What you're gonna do is click on this drop down right here, change account type, wait for it to load, give it a second. You might have to click it twice. Oh, it popped up over on this other screen. So you drag it over, account type, standard, change it to admin and click on OK. That's just so if you want to download something or make a change to the computer, you won't have any issues. But that's how you add a user to your computer without a Microsoft account in Windows 11. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section, and then make sure you like and subscribe. And don't forget, take it easy.